Have you got a Renault Kangoo and will it not start? Because that's exactly what happened to me. So I woke up this morning really early and it had been frosty, and I came out to put the car on, ready to nip out. The car wouldn't start. I thought, okay, cold weather, it must be a low battery. So I waited a while. Then I came out and tried to start it again. It wouldn't start. So I got my charger and I trickle charged it. And after an hour, give it another go. So after an hour, it still wouldn't start. So when I turned the key, you could hear it start, but something wasn't kicking in. So I tried it again. So I tried it pressing the accelerator down. Tried it without pressing the accelerator down. No. Thought, okay, what do I do now? So I tested my battery, and my battery says it's full. So I thought, okay. So I come back to the car to looking at the dash, and then I tried this. So I don't know if you'll hear this, but if you turn your key to the on position, did you hear that, or did you see Pause the dog hear that? So I'll do it again. See, if you turn your key to an on position, there you go. So that, what you heard or may not have heard, was a noise coming from the back that was like a doo, and that noise says that the pump, the fuel pump, is working. So you know that the fuel pump's working, and you know that the battery's good. So then, like, what do you do? It's like, is it spark plugs? What is it? So I recognised there was a flashing light on the dash. So if there's a flashing light on the dash, it often means it won't start. So let's see if, oh, I don't think it'll do that. It won't allow you to see it, I don't think. So can you see a flashing light in the dashboard there? So when that's gone on, if it's constant on red, it means it's okay. If it's flashing, it means there's an immobiliser problem. So your immobiliser might cut in or out. So what you do is you have your key in the off position. So you put your key in, you turn it to the on position, and you wait for 30 seconds. So 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, or 5 Kangoo, 6 Kangoo, 7 Kangoo, 8 Kangoo, 9 Kangoo, 10 Kangoo, 11 Kangoo, 12 Kangoo, 13 Kangoo, 14 Kangoo, 15 Kangoo, 16 Kangoo, 17 Kangoo, 18 Kangoo, 19 Kangoo, 20 Kangoo, can't believe I'm having to think about this, 21 Kangoo, 22 Kangoo, 23 Kangoo, 24 Kangoo, 25 Kangoo, 26 Kangoo, 27 Kangoo, 28 Kangoo, 29 Kangoo, and at 30 Kangoos, we turn the key off. And then we wait 10 seconds. I'm just checking the car's in neutral and the handbrake's on. Pause is finding it all very interesting. We're just going to see if the engine works. Yes. So that means that if that's happened to you, it means your immobiliser, which is a very common problem for Renault Kangoos, 1.4 litres and thereabouts, that have an on problem. This is the year 1999, but there is many years that it does affect. So it's a common problem that it means your immobiliser just needs to come back in. Sometimes it'll work by switching your locks off, like locking your car and turning it on and waiting. But if that doesn't work, you do the count to 30 Kangoos, which is 30 seconds, turn off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn your engine on. It should work. If it doesn't work, you want to get yourself checking your spark plugs. And if that doesn't work, get yourself to an electrical dude or dudette who can help fix your car. All right. Hope you have happy drivings, and love to all you Kangoo people out there. Big loves.